one of our customized products. This is the LED Totem. It's for outdoor use, advertising, billboard. Yeah, it has a very high resolution. Its model is 2.5. This size is 640 millimeters wide by 1,280 millimeters high. Yeah, it has double sides. So you can use it to attract more attentions. It's fully waterproof, IP66. You can see the brightness is very high, can be up to 5,000. We use the energy efficient LED module, so it can save about 30% than the regular modules, and it can adjust the brightness automatically according to the outdoor environment. So it can have a very high visibility even in the outdoor environment and the sunlight. Yeah, let's see the back side. You can open it like this, and maintenance. This is the LED module, power supply, control card. And this one is the clear box. We can use the application, phone application, to connect it by Wi-Fi. So you can update the contents to this LED Totem. Very easy to use. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for your watching. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.